Good morning! Rise and shine! For today's video, itatry natin i-practice yung upcoming event next Sunday, which is I register ng 10-kilometer run. So, dito talaga mag-start. Tatry ko lang hanggang before the event. And time check is 10:10 in the morning. So, I think, inano ko naman sa map. So, samahan niyo ako every now and then. And see you later. Ayan. Ang lugar na aking tinatakbo. Let's do this. Dito na tayo sa under the bridge. Ayan. Ganda. Let's go. You can do it.
In 700 meters.
Nakita niyo na yung sa likod ko. Naman, ganda. So, this is the river crossing, which is always used in practicing running, biking, walking for your safety. So, we're here na sa church. Ito yung dadaanan. This is the St. Michael Church, Cathedral Church. Yan. So, we're here na sa park. At may makikita tayo mga tent. Yan. So, ito yung park nila near to the church. Time check. 10:40 in the morning. And 2 more kilometers to achieve the 5 kilometer. Let's go under the bridge. Railway. Ayan. Nadaanan din natin ang waterwork. So, maganda yung place to run, to walk, or to do bicycle, some exercise. It's really peaceful and quiet. So, nearly there. Whew. Yan. Another under the bridge. 1.5 kilometer left to achieve the 5 kilometer. Ang laki ng puno. Million years na siguro yan. 1,000 pala. Oh. Ang galing oh. May construction. Pak. Dito, mabilis lang yung paggawa ng mga construction kasi nga updated yung mga machine, ganyan. So, we are less than 1 kilometer targeting to the 5 kilometer. So, we arrived na here at cemetery. I'll want to come back to the St. Michael Cathedral Church to accumulate another 3 kilometer. So, let's go. So cute. I think I need to run kasi I'm trying to chase to arrive at 11:30 in St. Michael Cathedral Church because I want to go in adoration. And we arrive here at Riverside, Wagawa. So that's all for today, mga mi. I did around 8 kilometer today. Hopefully, magi okay for next week. So medyo masakit yung aking leg. Nanibago kasi talagang run. Pero somehow may ano pa din, may walk. Pero yun. Thank you for watching. Bye!